Hello everyone, hello to everyone who's watching my this video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the lamb or a goat curry with Pakistani masalas in a traditional way. So please follow me and let's go. And do not forget the procedure of making this lamb or goat curry masala in a traditional way, in an easy as 1 2 3. The procedure will be performed on the pressure cooker. So let's go. Here I take 1 kilo of goat curry, 3 average size onion, 4 average size tomatoes and fresh coriander for garnish, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic, 2 teaspoons of Himalaya pink salt, 3 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, and of course oil as well. First we have to put oil in the pressure cooker so that you can cook properly. Nothing can be burned at the bottom. So you can see in the picture, this is the way to put it. And I'm using the Kitchen King pressure cooker. Do not forget, it is not a sponsored video. It is just like a non-professional amateur. So take the onion, slice it, and when you slice it, put in the pressure cooker like this and spread all over at the bottom. After that, you have to put the cumin seeds, spread the cumin seeds all over. You can see in the video, after putting the cumin seeds, then you have to put the ginger garlic paste. The ginger garlic paste, I took 4 tablespoons, 3 to 4 tablespoons, which is very common to use in this dish. After putting the ginger garlic paste, now the turns come up for the spices. You have to put the way you can see in the video. I have put the red chili powder and pink Himalaya salt along with garam masala, which you can see in the video. Put like this, spread all over. After that, other spices, 3 spices, which is turmeric, cumin powder and coriander powder, spread like all over to make it more tasty. So now the turns come up for the lamb curry or a goat curry. I use here goat curry 1 kilo, spread on the top like this. And then the turns come up for the tomatoes. I took 4 tomatoes, chopped like this, and then spread all over in the pressure cooker like that. Now the turns come up for the water. I use 1.5 cup of water to put it, so that the meat and the things, the veggies, whatever you have put inside, should be cooked well. After that, you have to put the lid, and do not forget to put the weight on the top. After putting the weight on the top, you have to put the flame medium to low. I use the medium. So then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes for cooking. And once the whistle start blowing, then you have to write down the time, and then you have to cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. After putting the cooking for 7 to 8 minutes, once it's done, you have to close the flame and leave it to cool down. You can see it. This is the way. After it cool down, you have to remove the lid and everything will be cooked. So now the turns come up to reduce the water. How much you have to reduce the water, it's upon you. You can leave it, or you can reduce the water by cooking a little bit extra. But already everything is cooked. Slowly and steadily reduce the flame and put in a low flame to medium and leave it for cooking. But do not forget to use the spatula, to use it all the time. I use the olive oil, and I have to put 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I have to use the spatula, the wooden spatula, like this, to make it mix properly. And in addition, for more taste, you have to put the karai masala. Here I use the Peshawari karai masala to have the extra taste. I put 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala to have an extra taste. In the end, your food is ready to eat. Before eating, I have put the coriander fresh as a garnish. The garnish make an extra taste to your dish. So your dish is ready, you can use it. Which you can see that to show you guys, I put in the plate 1 spoon, 1, 2, and that's it. That is enough for everyone for one time of meal, and you can eat it with a rice or a bread and enjoy. And once you enjoy, please do not forget to share my recipe with the other people. Until wait for next video. Ciao, bye, salam to everyone. See you in the next episode of my cooking.